All right, another thing I want to do to the truck is get this front license plate bracket off. And apparently you have to do this a certain way. It doesn't just pop on, not normal screw-in bracket kind of setup. So we need a 3/16 drill bit, and I'm gonna show you how to do this on the Gen 3 Raptors at least. It might be the same on Gen 2s, but Gen 3 for sure. All right, so all you gotta do is drill this real lightly. And let's see. We're almost there. Pop. There we go. And then let's see here. Looks like it kind of pops up and push up, and out. Boom. All right, now you can drill all the way through to tap out the rivet completely. And like I said, a 3/16 drill bit does the trick. And come back, clean it up, and wipe it down. All right, we'll do a little, just a little wipe down here. Yeah, it's about as good as she gets. There you go, clean front end, huh? Boom. All right, not very complicated, but that's how you remove the Gen 3 front bumper license plate bracket. Thanks for watching.